Okay, boys and girls, now that we've learned about figure drawing and movement and overlap, we're going to put all of those words together to make a picture. So I'm going to start with my white paper, my pencil, and my little pipe cleaner figure. I'm going to place this little pipe cleaner figure anywhere on my paper and in any position I want. So we talked about movement, how we can show that this figure is moving. That means I can move his arms and legs in different positions to show that he is doing a type of movement. So I think I will keep my figure like that. Now I need to trace this figure with my pencil. So I'm going to put my pointer finger on top of his body so that he doesn't move around on me. And I'm going to take my pencil straight up and down and start to trace all around the features I see. So I'll start with the head, go around the head. Now I'm going to go down to the arm, one part of the arm, two parts of the arm. Now down for the body. Now the leg, one part of the leg, two parts of the leg and the foot, and go up. Now I think I need to move my finger so I can get to this side. So I'll go to the other leg, one part of the leg, two, and the foot, and go around the other side, up the body, one part of the arm, two parts of the arm, and around. So now when I think I've traced the whole figure, I'll take my little pipe cleaner off, and I've got a little figure that looks like he's kind of moving. So now I'm going to put my figure in a different position, so maybe his legs will be really high up like this, like he is jumping up, and his arms will be really high up like this. So I'll put this figure in a different spot on my paper and trace that movement. It's okay to put it on top of this figure too and overlap in different spaces, or I can just put him in his own space over here. So then I will put my finger on top of the body and start with the head, go around the head, one part of the arm, two parts of the arm, around the body, one part of the leg, two parts of the leg, foot, and around the leg, around the other leg. I think I need to move my finger over, one part of the leg, two, body, one part of the arm, two parts of the arm, and around. And I think I finished that one. So I'll take my pipe cleaner figure off, and I think I need a little line right there. So that figure is done. Now I'm going to keep doing this, put him in a different position. Maybe his arms will be down and his legs will be down. So maybe he's standing a little more straight like this. And I'll put my figure in a new position. So I'm going to trace at least 8 of these figures over and over my paper. So eventually I'm going to run out of space. So I'm going to have to put figures on top of other figures and overlap in each other's spaces. So this is our first step. After we've traced about 8 times, we'll talk about how we're going to add some color into these spaces where they overlap to show color mixing. So we're going to use our paint to mix some colors. So right now, just trace at least 8 figures showing movement and showing overlap, okay?